GracePorts from Grace Technologies are panel interface connectors that give you safe access to PLC control panels through closed doors. These panel face connectors are fully customizable communication ports with over 15,000 layouts to choose from. This allows you to pick your components, circuit breaker and power options, housing size, and UL rating to help you match the needs of your intended application. Just like this Customize option, which has a plastic cover and aluminum housing, featuring two USB A female to A male ports, a DVI female connection port, as well as an Ethernet port. Housing options for GracePorts include UL Type 1, 3, 3R, 4, 4X, and 12, stainless steel, heavy-duty surface mount, and hazardous location mount. And through-door access allows for OSHA, NEC, and NFPA 70E CSA Z462 compliance. GracePorts even gives you the option to add personalized text and company logos, while also allowing you to pick desired cable lengths and cutout sizes. For more information on GracePorts from Grace Technologies, visit us at galco.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Galco TV to be notified when new videos are posted every week.